Welcome to the city, St. Louis. That is the arch. Alright guys, we're in St. Louis, of course, like I just said, right next to the arch. Isn't that thing cool? We will be seeing this later, but let's go to the boat, I guess.
Which one are we going on?
Yes.
You guys enjoy it.
Thank you. Yeah, that's pretty good. Ah.
Are you sure this isn't the back?
It's pretty much the front, I think. So. This boat is actually really cool. That thing over there just comes up like the ramp right there. Ow. It's really cool. Ah, we're moving. Hopefully not into the thing. Welcome to How to Crash Your Boat.
On the sidewalk level, there's a bronze statue. That statue is of Lewis and Clark in their dark seaman. Now, the city placed that statue here to commemorate the return of Lewis and Clark from the westward expedition. Now, that statue is 21 foot tall. It weighs 2.5 tons. And it's a good opportunity to get your picture taken with Lewis and Clark.
Dang it, dropped it again for the 800th time. I always drop the camera. I'm gonna have to get a new lens cap or something. Just a slight echo.
By the SCF Corporation, integrated truck rail and barge facility. They handle fertilizers, two bag bulk chickens. are you true? Can't say. St. Louis is indeed the gateway to the West. If you want that perfect postcard picture, you wait for that staple of the old courthouse.
Hello guys, this is a good time to jump off the boat because guess what? You can just get right back on. But they better park it right or else we're all gonna be dead people. You know, because we can't swim. Right there. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, look at this thing. Wow. It's so big. I could fit in it. I just want to go up to one of the sides and just go inside of it. That'd be cool.